In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple time zones in Google Calendar. This can be incredibly helpful if you're coordinating meetings or events with people in different parts of the world. Let's dive right in. First, you need to open your preferred web browser and head directly to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and click on the first result that appears. This should take you straight to the Google Calendar sign-in page. Once you're there, you'll need to log into your account. Start by entering your email address into the sign-in field. After that, click Next to proceed. You'll then be prompted to enter your password. Once you've typed in your credentials, go ahead and click Next again to fully access your Google Calendar. Now that you're logged in, the next step is to find the settings. Look toward the top right corner of your screen. You should see an icon that looks like a gear. That's your settings icon. Click on it. A drop-down menu will appear from which you'll want to select settings. This is where we'll make the adjustments to display additional time zones. In the settings page, focus your attention on the left-hand side. You'll see several options listed there. What you're looking for is labeled time zone. Go ahead and click on that. Now you'll see an option to display secondary time zone. By default, this might not be enabled, so you'll need to click on it to activate this feature. Once you do, it will allow you to select a secondary time zone to display alongside your primary one. After enabling the secondary time zone, click on the option labeled Secondary Time Zone. This will open a drop-down menu with a list of possible time zones from all around the globe. Choose the time zone that best suits the area you'd like to keep track of. Finally, click on Chosen Time Zone to confirm your selection. And that's it. You've successfully added a secondary time zone to your Google Calendar. This feature is especially useful for keeping track of time across different regions, ensuring that you're on the same page with your international colleagues, friends, or family. Adding multiple time zones helps eliminate the confusion and potential errors that arise when planning across different time regions. Now, with just a quick glance at your calendar, you can see what time it is in another part of the world. Remember, you can always revisit the settings to change or remove the secondary time zone as needed. It's a very flexible tool designed to make scheduling and planning a seamless experience. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.